Hi, this is Nolan from Bench-Mark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the calculator within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So to begin here, I've just got FieldGenius open and I'm connected to a rover. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to head over to my HI there where it says antenna 0.3 meters. And if I open this, you can see that my measured height is an enterable field. So if I double click this field, it's going to bring up the keypad. And if I hit the calculator button, the calc button there in the bottom left, that's actually going to bring up a scientific calculator that I can do some basic math on. So right now I got a 0.3 entered, so if I hit 6 and then multiply, it's going to multiply that number. Or if I hit, let's say, 5 and then divide it, I'm going to get 0.36, as I should. And if I want to close this calculator, I'm just going to hit OK. And you can see that my new number is there. So any spot in FieldGenius that you can enter a number into, if you double click and bring up your keyboard, you can also access the calculator to do basic math with. And that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or you have any questions about FieldGenius or any of the other items on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at Bench-Mark.ca.